Hello, happy Thursday. I hope this has been a great week for you guys. I hope you've enjoyed, well, what's for us here in the Northland has been beautiful weather. We are so excited when the sun shines. We can't contain ourselves. So I've been outside getting my vitamin D. I hope you have too, because it's fantastic for your skin. But I hope you're putting a little bit of sunscreen on there if you're spending too much time in the sun. Good vitamin D. Too much sunburn, no good for your skin. But we'll get off that subject because today is about lipstick. I haven't shown you guys how I make lipstick for a really long time, so many of you have started following me since I've done this video, and so maybe you're gonna see something that you've never seen before. Watching the process of lipstick being made is super duper exciting and just fascinating. And yes, I'm gonna put it in a lipstick tube. So I hope you will enjoy this video. I am Lene Rhodes of Mix Cosmetics, your custom, sociable, eco-friendly makeup. And if you enjoy it, I hope you would share it because that's how the word gets spread, is sharing these videos. If you find it fascinating and maybe you think a friend has never seen this before, I would love them to be able to see it as well. So basically, I'm just gonna take my lipstick and I melt it down and I pour it into the lipstick mold. And this is the lipstick mold. And yes, this is going to make a tube of lipstick. It could make 4, but I'm just gonna make 1 today. And these are the colors that we're gonna go with. So this is called Manganese Violet. And this is an iron oxide. This is called a blue red. And then this is carmine. So I thought I'd just try mixing these 3 colors together. I don't have a real solid idea of what I'm hoping for here. I've never actually mixed these 3 together. So I'm doing something brand new and I hope you follow along with me and we'll see what color we get. So in my little melter here, I have some melted lipstick. And we're gonna add these colors. So here goes, and I'm just gonna put maybe about 2/3 of a scoop of each. Like I said, we're not going real scientific. I can get very precise if I need to, but I don't. So when I'm just playing, this is what it looks like. And now the manganese. And here we go. Isn't that pretty? I love seeing colors come together. So let's see what happens. So basically the lipstick base is a wax and oil and ester blend. And esters are kind of the fatty alcohols that come from oil. So this is a carnauba wax, a candelia wax, a beeswax, castor oil, and some jojoba esters. And those waxes are what kind of makes it solid and stick to your lips. The oils are what moisturize your lips, and then the esters are what actually sink in and sort of give it that drying effect. So when you put it on, it's not super oily. It's oily right at first and then it sinks in with those esters, and then it gives it a little bit more of a matte finish. And this one, I could turn it matte if I wanted to. These colors that I chose today are all mattes. They don't have any shimmer, and so they are a good matte color. This lipstick is gonna have a little bit of shine because I didn't add any mattifying ingredients. If I'd added something like talc or boron nitride or silica, it would have mattified it a little bit. So let's see what color we got. Oh my word, that is gonna be a really pretty sheer purpley red. How pretty. Okay, so we're gonna pour it into the mold here. And I probably didn't do the best job of mixing the colors, but that's okay. This is just a test, just a play. And like any good cooking show, here we are, we're pretending we're a cooking show. There's one in reserve, so you don't have to wait for this to set up because it takes about 5 minutes for it to set up. So here is our lipstick bullet, our lipstick tube. ready. And this is a different color. So I decided I don't need two of the same color. If I'm just plain, if I'm just goofing off, then I should make two different colors. So there we go. Pops right out. That is what goes into your lipstick tube. Press it right down over the top. We unscrew this. We lay it down. And, oh, here we go. We have lipstick, ta-da! Oh, I didn't wait quite long enough. I got some of it stuck, but look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And it'll be fully set up by tomorrow, so it's not quite set up yet today, but let's see what color we got. Let's put it here. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a pretty summery peachy color? So we've got a really beautiful, glamorous, deep red, and then this really pretty shimmery summer color. So there we go. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you had fun watching to see how lipstick was made today. And you know what? How about I give away this deep red color? If anybody wants this deep red color, if they would like to maybe comment or say, I want it, down in the comment section, I would love to give this color away. Because there's no reason that I need 2 new lipsticks. Trust me, I have plenty of lipstick. So I would love you to enjoy this lipstick that I made today. Or if there's a friend that you think would look gorgeous in this color, share it with them, have them comment, and